Hi Heather, it's a quick tutorial on how to push out a book to your kids. Let's say I'm searching something, I'm searching the phrase ecosystems because that's the book I want to push out. I can find individual books and add them to what's called a collection. When I click on that book, I'm going to click add to, I'm going to create a collection. I'm going to call it biomes instead of ecosystems because I already have that folder. Now it's been added, and I can continue adding individual books by just adding it to that collection, biomes. Once I have all the books that I want in that collection, then I can go to my library, find that collection, biomes is what I called it. There it is, and assign to all students. Select all, and that will pop up in their library now. The other thing you can do is when you're searching, if you like the collection, if you look at collections rather than individual books, you can find a whole, pretty much pre-made collection. You don't have to make it yourself. This one looks good to me. I'm going to click copy this whole collection. I'm going to call it Ecosystems Dugas to help it stand out. Go to my library, and then this way I'm just using collections that have already been made, Ecosystems Dugas, and assign it. Push it out to your kids that way. I hope that helps.